Hey, hello again, everybody. This is Ralph on kind of a colder day. I'm putting on a little bit of a sweater here. But what I want to talk about today is a recurring income idea that practically anybody can start right now. When it comes to recurring income, sometimes known as passive income, there's a variety of ways in which you can build, recurring streams of income, but a lot of them take investment. A lot of them take a lot of money up front. One example of this is what Robert Kiyosaki recommends. He has several income streams, and the way that he sets up his income streams, some of them anyway, is that he will buy rental property and then fix up the rental units and then go ahead and rent them out to people. Now, that's great if you've got the money to go out and buy an apartment complex. Most people don't have that kind of income. A lot of people don't even have the money to buy their own home, let alone buy another home to use as a rental property. So when it comes to passive streams of income or recurring streams of income, sometimes people get the idea that this is beyond me. It's impossible. There's no way that I can set up a recurring income stream. But actually, there is a way that anybody can do, and this is through means of affiliate marketing. And not just any kind of affiliate marketing, but affiliate marketing focusing on recurring commissions. When you get into affiliate marketing, that's where you find a product or a service that's been designed by somebody else, and you sell that product or service to other people. And every time you make a sale, you earn a commission. Now, there's a few different ways that you can earn commission, two that I'm going to deal with right here. One is what we'll call the one-time, one-and-done commission, where you make a sale, you earn your commission, and that's it. And there's another kind of commission called recurring commissions, where you make a sale, and usually this is through selling like memberships or subscriptions, things like that. You make a sale, and then you get paid that commission the first month, and then you keep earning commissions month after month after month for as long as your customer remains a paying customer. And using recurring commissions, you can build up a team of satisfied customers and over time build up a recurring stream of income that can turn into a legitimate passive stream of income where you put a lot of work into it in the beginning, but then after you got your customers built up to where you like it to be, got your income built up to where you like it to be, you can kind of slack off a little bit and actually be earning money while you sleep. And yeah, this can be done by promoting affiliate offers that pay recurring commissions. Now, there's a lot of good ones out there. If you want to see what I do, go to my affiliate link down in the program description down below and check it out. What I'm into is an affiliate marketing offer that pays 80% recurring commissions. So it's a pretty good deal. It's a great way to get into profit faster because it's 80% commissions, and it's an excellent way to earn recurring income because these are recurring commissions. And this organization, they also teach you how to do affiliate marketing because a lot of people, when they first get into affiliate marketing, they don't really know what they're doing and they end up doing it all wrong. Our organization helps to teach you the right way to do affiliate marketing and how to get better at doing it over time. So if you want to check it out, go to my link, ralphshomebiz.com, and you can look for it down in the program description down below. Okay, hope you found some value in this. This is Ralph signing out. Catch you in future updates, my friends. And as always, take care. Bye-bye. As always, please remember to like, share, and subscribe.